Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to convert JPG file to PDF on Mac and Windows operating system using my tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply open here Google and just simply type Wondershare PDFelement. Enter. I already put this link in same video description. You just simply click here. If you are working on PDF, edit, modify or any other task related on PDF file, so this is one of the best software I saw ever. Free download software available Windows, Mac, iOS application and Android application. After finish the download, you just simply click twice, agree, click here twice, open. I already installed this application, but for the installation you can do same process. After finish the install, I launch here. As a launching point of view, now here this is a software. I already make each and every point related video available on Wondershare playlist. So here simply file options are available. File, new, PDF from file, select this one and simply select your JPG or PNG file. So simply I select this one. This is a JPG file and look at this. I convert this JPG file on PDF format. And then again here simply save, demo, save, and we can see here as a desktop. So look at this. This is a file of demo and I save this file in PDF format. It's very simple to convert JPG to PDF format. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.